Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoom sign-in and SSO on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Zoom application installed on your Windows device. If you don't have it, visit the Zoom website to download and install it. Once installed, launch the Zoom application by double-clicking its icon. On the main screen, click on the Sign In button. You will see options to sign in using email or single sign-on, commonly referred to as SSO. If you are using SSO, click on the Sign In with SSO option. A prompt will appear asking for your company domain. Enter your organization's Zoom domain and click Continue. You will be redirected to your organization's login page. Enter your username and password associated with your SSO account. After inputting your credentials, click Sign In. If prompted, complete any additional authentication. Once authenticated, you will return to the Zoom application. You should now be successfully signed in using SSO. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If problems persist, contact your IT department for assistance. Now you can start using Zoom for your meetings and webinars. Keep the app updated to ensure a smooth experience. Explore the various features available within Zoom to enhance your virtual meetings. That concludes the authorization process for Zoom sign-in and SSO on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.